Hi everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Easy Craft video. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. I am back with another beautiful idea about the designs of Merry Christmas centerpieces. Look so attractive and pieces decoration ideas for your houses. You know that without decorations, Merry Christmas so incomplete. All over modern way to celebrate your festival. All the designs are very unique and trending. So I collect beautiful idea of my viewers. So thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video and collecting my YouTube channel in these collections. Unique the ideas that recreate and transfer your house. Beautiful centerpieces, fresh centerpieces designed for my viewers. Beautiful ideas, beautiful creativity. Fresh idea for fresh years will look so attractive. And I give more ideas about how to create and how to transfer your house on the days of Merry Christmas. How to decorate your house with a beautiful way on the days of Merry Christmas 2025. Then I provide you simple and beautiful idea for your celebrations. These centerpieces look so attractive. All the designs are very unique and trending. All over modern way to celebrate your festival 2025. I hope you love the designs. I hope you enjoy my video. If you have any question about my YouTube channel, then please ask me in comment box. I hope you enjoy my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you see more ideas or specific designs, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please watch this video to end. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. They look so attractive, so stylish, so beautiful. If you new my YouTube channel, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, any other celebration ideas, then please visit my channel. All the designs are very unique. These centerpieces look so attractive and enhance the beauty of your walls and table decorations, door decoration, everything. Thank you so much everyone.